Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Step 1. Identify the parent structure. The molecule contains a benzene ring, which is the aromatic parent hydrocarbon. Step 2. Identify the substituent attached to the benzene ring is a CH is equal to CH2 group, which is a vinyl, ethanol, group, a 2-carbon chain with a terminal double bond. Step 3. Apply IUPAC nomenclature. When a vinyl group is attached to a benzene ring, the IUPAC name is formed by combining ethanol, the substituent name for CH is equal to CH2, with benzene as the parent. This gives ethanobenzene. The common name for this compound is styrene, but the IUPAC systematic name is ethanobenzene. Step 4. Verify the structure shown is a benzene ring with a CH is equal to CH2 group directly bonded to it, which matches ethanobenzene perfectly. No other substituents are present, so no locant numbers are needed. Therefore, the correct answer is ethanobenzene. The correct answer is shown on screen.